The Vivo V60 Lite is out. And spoiler alert, this one combines a long battery life, a great camera system, and a premium visual experience all wrapped in a more affordable package. So peeps, early Fuga Tech, and let's do a quick rundown on some of the best features of the new Vivo V60 Lite has to offer. Roll that intro. Perhaps our most favorite feature about the Vivo V60 Lite is its design. At first glance, it certainly gives off an elegant and minimalist vibe. Our unit is in the pop pink colorway, which comes in a sort of a pastel color, making it visually soft and light in the eyes. Speaking of, it is lightweight and comfortable in the hands too, weighing only 194 grams and measuring 7.6mm thin. Not to mention, this one has an SGS 5-star drop resistance military grade certification for added durability and an IP65 rating for protection against dust and water jets. Its display also adds to its overall visual appeal. It sports a flat 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, offering a good balance of color and deep blacks. It's complemented by a 120Hz refresh rate and support for HDR10, which are good for smooth visuals and a satisfying viewing experience. Aside from getting a good display, you also get to enjoy a loud dual stereo audio with up to 400% maximum volume, so every binge watching and gameplay is sure to be immersive. Now, the cameras are easily one of the most favorable things about the Vivo V60 Lite. At the back, it has a 50-megapixel main shooter that's using a high-quality Sony IMX882 sensor combined with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Taking a look at some of our sample shots in well-lit environments, the main camera produces clear and detailed images. It works well too in low-light conditions, although make sure there's enough light source to reduce noise and blurry images. In this case, the V60 Lite's Aura Light feature sure comes in handy. It's a small fill light, adding a little bit of to those portraits or casual snaps taken at night. For people who enjoy taking landscape photos, the ultra-wide lens is a nice addition. Up front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera that produces crisp, detailed selfies. Of course, the phone includes some AI-powered tools and a native photo editing feature to help users in their mobile photography game. And for those wondering, the rear and front cameras can record videos with up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Now, let's talk about the performance and battery life. Powering the Vivo V60 Lite 4G is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor. Now, let's be real. This isn't a flagship chip, but it's good enough for your daily needs. Paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, it handles daily multitasking tasks smoothly and nicely. Although the review unit we have here is the 4G variant, the 5G variant has a more powerful chip. A MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo runs inside the other V60 Lite variant. But in our experience, the 4G variant still holds up pretty well. Jumping onto battery life, this is where the V60 Lite truly shines. It packs a massive 6500 mAh Blue Volt battery, and in my testing, this thing just keeps going. With such a large battery pack, I was able to use and fully drain the phone for 2 days with just a single charge. Our PC Mark battery test can vouch for us with a V60 Lite lasting over 21 hours as it should. Charging wise, the 90 watts flash charge fills the phone up in no time. It does come with a bypass charging to boot, allowing you to use it while charging without the worry of harming the battery health in the long run. Okay, let's wrap this up. The Vivo V60 Lite 4G that we have is looking to be a nice pickup among those who would prefer a long-lasting battery life, a premium-looking design with a great display, and reliable camera. For those things, then the Vivo V60 Lite is a good daily driver that won't break the bank. Is it a phone for extreme gaming? Maybe not. But for casual and mobile titles like Honor of Kings, Mobile Legends, it's decent enough. For a more optimal gaming experience, then the 5G variant is the way to go. It packs a different chipset which is better suited for gaming with features like smart cooling to avoid overheating and to achieve higher frame rates in games for fluid performance. Aside from that, the Vivo V60 Lite is good for everything else that a typical Filipino smartphone users need. From watching videos to taking great photos and lasting through an entire workday, the Vivo V60 Lite 4G definitely gets my seal of approval. It's a compelling option offering a premium feel and suitable cameras at an affordable price. To those interested, the Vivo V60 Lite 4G version is priced at 14,999 pesos. Meanwhile, the 5G variant offers two options, 8GB plus 256GB for 17,999 pesos, and the 12GB plus 512GB sets you back at 20,999 pesos. Visit the nearest Vivo concept store, kiosk, and authorized dealer to pre-order yours until October 30. You may also get a 1,000 discount, a Vivo VIP card worth 4,020, and a pair of Vivo Buds wireless earbuds worth 1,699 pesos. Get an additional 500% off when availed through home credit. And that's it about for this video. Stay tuned for a full review of the Vivo V60 Lite, which should be coming up very soon. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, that's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or X, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!